If I could watch only one game this week, I think this would be the one.
Both of these teams have some great competitors on their roster, so look for some great individual efforts throughout this game.
Brady misfire. Hudson gets the board. Up for the lay-in.
This team needs to sprint down the court and not roll.
To Shaq. Hudson. To T-Mac. Pass to Weber. The two-handed dunk is good. The assist to number 1, Tracy McGrady. Strips the ball. Hill with the J. He drains it. Hill. The assist to number 1, Baron Davis.
You got your glasses on? Hurry up.
Blocked by Weber. With a nice shot fake, the defender baited him into thinking he could drive.
That's right, Don. He took the bait and got whistled for the charge.
Puts up the shot. Miller can't find the hole. Davis is known for taking the ball to the hole when his team needs points the most. Weber's a warrior when it comes to posting up inside, but he can also do magic with a pass.
Don, he's like a wizard the way he can throw the no-look pass or thread the needle with the bullet pass.
Up fake. To McGrady. He tried for 3.
If he can't make a shot, he's got to get some help out there.
JT's become one of the leaders on this team. Hudson with the shot. Their coach has to be happy with the field goal percentage mark they've set. With a nice shot fake. To O'Neal. When T-Mac gets the ball, you can feel the electricity in the air.
These fans know he's a highlight waiting to happen.
To T-Mac.
Get it up.
To Davis. From three-point land. Abdur-Rahim grabs it. Gives it off to Terry. Abdur-Rahim unloads. The assist to Hudson. Back to Weber. He slams that one down two-fisted. He has 6 points. Hudson is trying to get the ball into the post area.
If they can get points in the paint, it may open up the outside shot.
He drives to the hoop. Finger roll.
When it comes to shooting, this man is unstoppable.
Him in. Hill gets it. 2 minutes to go in the first quarter. To T-Mac. Fakes the shot. Anytime he's out on the floor, he dominates both ends.
And that's why he's an all-star year after year.
That's a 6-0 run. Hudson is looking to go down low and get some points in the paint. Out of bounds. Atlanta ball. Hudson, good fake. Unloads a 3. Davis with the board. Out of bounds. He couldn't keep the ball in play.
It looked like he tripped over his own feet that time.
Where's the foul?
2. Steele passes off to McGrady. Terry is trying to build an offensive run. That's 6 points for the former first-round pick. That's an 8-0 run. The assist to number 1, Tracy McGrady. O'Neal with the steal. With a nice shot fake. McGrady handles the feed. Dish to Hill. He puts up the jumper. Abdur-Rahim takes the rebound. Hudson sets things up. Sends it to Hudson.
Come on, man, that's a foul.
To Big Dog.
The whistle works, right?
To Hudson. Gonna shoot. McGrady pushes it hard up court. Carey grabs it. He's not slowing down the tempo of this game. An unbelievable 187 slam. Man, that dunk got me jumping out of my seat. To McGrady with a fake. To Hill. To McGrady. To Shaq. Hudson picks up the defensive foul. He'd like to be able to hit this one.
A make from the line would take the jinx off a bit.
Gets the first shot. The Magic lead by 6. Terry from half court. Hill pulls it down. At the end of the first quarter, Orlando lead. It's always too early to start losing.
These guys look like they're learning that the hard way.
The Magic are contesting the ball end to end.
And good things are happening.
Off the glass.
They weren't able to keep up with the running game.
The coach might want to call a timeout to give his team a breather. He sets up the offense. We're seeing the post players trying to establish position.
He's looking for the entry pass so he can go to work, Don.
What? Nothing there?
Sends it to Davis. Dish to O'Neal. Gives it off to McGrady. With the J. Hudson with the rebound. Passes off to Terry. He hits it. He has 6 points.
Number 11, Troy Hudson.
Dishes off to Weber. Abdul-Rahim is charged with a foul. He has such great form on this shot, Bob.
Every time he gets nothing but the bottom of the net.
Misses the first shot.
Into the game for the Hawks. Number 1, Jamal Crawford.
Gets the second. He'll bring it up court. Gives it off to Crawford with nobody near him. This team has been able to out-rebound their opponents throughout the game. To Hill. To T-Mac. He gets the man up his feet.
Defense wasn't there that time.
And it cost him. They want to try and work it into the post here. Looks like they want to go inside.
They think they can definitely get some points from down low.
Davis grabs it. With a nice shot fake. Looks at 3. T-Mac buries the shot. The Magic on a 6-6 run. The Magic are ahead by 12. Crawford wants to try and work it into the post here. Anytime he can get the isolation, his eyes will light up.
Out of bounds, Atlanta ball. Into the game for the Atlanta Hawks. Number 5,
Davis is called for the defensive foul.
Ball outlawed. Into the game for the Hawks. Number 6, Cal Bauer.
Weber grabs it. Gives it off to Hill. Finger roll.
If the defense continues to leave him open, he'll hit that shot all night long.
They better come up with another answer, Robert. Bowdler goes up. Orlando didn't have a man on the ball.
The attacking player shook off the defender, threw that one down.
Pass to Davis. To Hill.
This team has been coming up with great shots all
Into the
night.
game for the Hawks. Number 30, Mark Strickland. The assist to number 1, Baron Davis.
For 3.
The way he's shooting, his man is going to start to cheat on the D.
Davis makes the finger roll.
The assist to number 34,
Crawford will bring it up court. He sets it up on the left side. Crawford with the J.
2 minutes left.
That's their game, running the fast break. He slams it.
He's got some two-fisted fury.
The Magic on a 6-0 run.
The assist to number 1, Tracy McGrady.
The rest of the team gave him some room to operate. Lover shoots.
He tickles the twine with another shot.
Bob, his field goal percentage is off the chart. Weber pump fakes. Gives it off to O'Neal. For 3. That was pretty. That'll put pressure on the defense.
So far, they just can't contain him, Don.
The Magic with the ball.
They swing back to the attack.
Oh, power! McGrady now has 7 points.
Number 1, Aaron Davis.
Crawford puts up the shot. With a nice shot fake to Davis. You got to keep your eyes open out there.
Even if it's a bad pass, you just need to be aware of it and make a play for the ball.
He sets up the offense.
On your right.
He called for the pick and roll, knowing the whole time he was going to make the pass.
With a nice shot fake.
Out of bounds. Atlanta ball.
Doc Rivers wants to make sure the official knows that he's watching the game too. Goes up with it. Crawford for 2.
Nothing easy on our team.
To Hill. To O'Neal. Back to Hill. To McGrady. Gives it off to Weber. Loudler takes it away.
Left side.
Davis is whistled for the defensive foul.
The Atlanta Hawks, number 52, Brad Miller, and number 11, Troy Hudson.
Use the club.
If he doesn't give that man some more room, he's going to foul out of this game.
And that's not what his coach wants.
I'll tell you, Don, that's not what he wants
in
either.
the penalty. Into the game for Atlanta, number 3, Sharif Abdul-Rahim.
Makes his second shot.
We got one here. We got one.
Passes off to Weber. To the Diesel.
Travel.
He's a power player.
That's 9 points for the former Michigan Wolverine.
Number 1, Baron
Hudson
Davis.
sets the offense. He comes up empty at the end of the first half. Orlando leads 39-20. Bob, their coach looked a little surprised to be down at half.
Well, he knows this guy's capable of playing better than what we've seen so far. He just doesn't understand what's wrong with him.
Hudson is trying to run some plays for the big men to get some production in the paint. McGrady with the foul.
Defensive foul.
Terry is playing some in-your-face basketball.
That's his first personal team foul, number 1.
Hudson is trying to get the ball into the post area.
If they can get points in the paint, it may open up the outside shot.
With the crossover, he shakes the defense with a quick spin move. Atlanta narrows the gap to 17. Abdurrahim with the theft. He's just racing down the court. O'Neal is called for the foul. Hudson is a sharpshooter from strike. It's good. He makes the second. To McGrady. To O'Neal. He goes for the shot fake. Looks at the 3. There it is.
For 3.
Come on, you gotta call
Hudson feels they have an advantage down low, and they're going to try and exploit it. Orlando with the push.
Out of bounds, Hawks ball.
McGrady with the steal. How are you supposed to win if you can't connect on a pass?
Right now, this team is running a little hot. They need to cool down a bit.
The 3. Terry buries the shot.
This guy's making it look way too easy.
With a nice shot fake. With the shot. McGrady, no good. Abdur-Rahim collects the rebound. McGrady takes the board. He fakes the shot to Shaq. Oh, baby, that got everyone out of their seat. The Magic lead by 17. He'll bring it up court.
What are you doing, ref?
To Big Dog. The offense is looking to get something in the post.
They want to try to get the post players involved.
Miller with the fake. Swatted away by the Diesel.
Put it up.
Oh, whoa, a 3.
Out of bounds. Hawks ball.
These guys are not going to put on a show in front of all these fans.
Well, they know it's just not worth it.
And it takes away from the game.
24-second
Hudson
violation.
is whistled for the shot clock violation. To Hill. To Shaq. Launches the three. To Raheem with the board. The action coming back quickly the other way. Up for the lay-in. He leads the team with 11 points. With the nice shot fake. To the Diesel.
He's all over me.
Look out!
Special delivery coming through.
The assist to
Hudson is looking to go down low and get some points in the paint. Hudson wants to try and work it into the post here with the layup.
How could they let him get right to the rim like that?
Somebody busted their assignment.
Oh, you going to tell me that the player's dog ate his defensive assignment?
That line never worked for me, Bob. To Hill. Three. He can't find a hole. Robinson picks it out of the air.
Hey, yo, come on.
Hudson, good fake. Abdur-Rahim puts it up. He's stepping up his offense.
And that's just what his team needs.
Leaves his feet. He's taking it down.
It's brought, baby.
He's now got 10 points.
The assist to Grant Hill.
The Magic are using a lot of energy on defense.
They might need a breather soon.
McGrady fakes the shot. To Shaq. Looks at a three. Davis buries the shot.
For three. The assist to number 34, Shaquille O'Neal.
Terry, good fake. Nope. O'Neal collects the rebound. Sends it to Hill. Into Davis. There's the fake.
At the end of this game, his stat sheet's going to be a sorry sight.
Big Dog hits the shot.
He's got his game face on for this one.
I can't remember the last time he missed. O'Neal, good fake. To the Diesel. He's coming through.
With the monster dog.
The assist to
Hudson is trying to run some plays for the big man to get some production in the paint. Big Dog makes the jumper. Atlanta narrows the gap to 16.
Number 11.
He sets it up on the left side. Terry with the steal. To Terry. Batted away by McGrady.
Out of bounds. Atlanta ball.
Shot clock is dead. He pump fakes.
Out of bounds.
The official doesn't seem too interested in having this discussion.
But give him credit for at least letting the player have his day in court.
He's been robbed. Misses from outside. No eye contact on that pass.
I guess the passer thought he made it clear where that ball was going.
For three. At the end of the third quarter, Orlando is ahead 53. It's time to talk about your predictions, Robert, for the fourth quarter.
All right, I'll make a prediction.
You do that.
All right, here it is. I predict these guys going to let their guard down long enough for the other team to get back in the town.
Hudson sets it up. For three. Yes.
He can feel it now. Oh, yeah.
With the nice shot fake to Hill. He tries the three. Miller gets the board. They feel they have an advantage down low, and they're going to try to exploit it.
Out of bounds. Hawks ball. Into the game for the Atlanta Hawks. Number 1.
From the left of the circle. Got it.
Has he got game? You bet he does.
With the nice shot fake to Hill. To O'Neal. To McGrady.
Out of bounds. Atlanta ball.
To Abdur-Rahim. Goes up with the shot. He drains the shot. That's a 7-0 run. Orlando has got the game right where they want it.
They built themselves a nice lead here. They just need to keep trading baskets until the clock runs out.
To the Diesel. to T-Mac. Weber gets the pass. 180-degree reverse jam. That's play of the day material right there.
The assist to number 1, Baron Davis.
Shoots a three-pointer. No. Weber collects the rebound. He has 6 rebounds. Fakes it. To C-Web.
Out, baby.
Crawford will bring it
The
up
assist
court.
to Tracy McGrady.
Crawford is trying to get the ball into the post area.
If they can get points in the paint, it may open up the outside shot.
With the jumper.
Don, it's like watching them go through shooting
Number
practice.
33,
The Magic
Grant
on a
Hill.
6-0 run. Tries the three. No good. Hill kicks it out of the air. To McGrady.
Don't mind if I do.
The assist to number 1, Tracy McGrady. Into the game for Atlanta, number 45, Bo Outlaw.
Crawford is looking to go down low and get some points in the paint. This player definitely has the skills to create for himself.
And that's why he wants the
The
ISO.
assist to Sharif Abdul-Rahim.
Hill, good fake. Banks it off the window. That's 16 points for the 9-year veteran. The Magic lead by 17. His teammates are giving him room for the ISO.
When he can get some room, he can really operate.
Steal. Orlando is running the floor tonight. Sends it to Hill. To McGrady. It's stolen.
Into the game for Atlanta.
He'll bring it up court.
2, Brad Miller.
He goes for the fake. Swats it away. Unloads a three.
They're getting lit up on the perimeter.
assist to
They'll need to G that up if they want to win.
To Hill. Looks at a three. He misses it. Millard with the board. Davis with the defensive foul.
Defensive foul.
Should be automatic from the line.
Baron Davis.
Misses.
First foul in the last 2 minutes.
He makes the second. Gets his third.
Into the game for the Hawks, number 11, Troy Hudson.
That's what I call a power jam. He's now got 14 points. Hudson launches a prayer. He makes the three. He has 12 points. Atlanta is down by 11. He knocks it in.
Get that man 2 points.
He's now got 15 points.
The assist to number 34, Shaquille O'Neal.
Terry unloads. Nails the jumper. He has 14 points.
The assist.
Atlanta is trailing by 10. This man is a force of nature.
Run for cover.
The assist.
The Magic are ahead by 12. Puts up the tray.
Abdul-Rahim.
Wraps the offensive board. He's now got 8 points.
If they get a turnover, they've got to run back and try for a quick basket.
With both hands.
Just to be sure.
O'Neal. The assist to number 4, Chris Weber.
Blocked by Davis.
Out of bounds, Atlanta ball.
Terry gets his man in the air.
Out of bounds, Hawks ball.
8 on the shot clock. He sets it up on the left side. Gonna shoot. No good. Weber grabs the board. Pushing the ball up court now. Hill off the board.
The assist to Chris Weber.
He pump fakes. Looks at a three. Yes! He leads the team with 15 points. To Shaq. Gives it off to Weber. Nasty.
Full on nasty.
The assist to number 34,
partnership
Shaquille
for three.
O'Neal.
Hudson comes up empty. O'Neal grabs it. No good. Tonight's final score,